So today we are discussing about the first type of mixture, that is solutions. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. So what do you mean by a homogeneous mixture? A homogeneous mixture means, suppose you have a container, and in that container, suppose you are having a mixture. That we have seen in the last video, that if we have a mixture, then if we take some part of the mixture from any place inside the mixture, so we take some part from any place inside the mixture, and we'll find that the constituents of each of these parts will be in the same ratio. That is a homogeneous mixture, and a solution is such a kind of a mixture. The second property of solutions is the particles in a solution are very small. Okay, they are so small that they can't be seen by naked eyes. And what is the size of the particles? About 10 raised to minus 9 meter, which is equal to, it is called 1 nanometer. Okay, so the particles are so small, 1 by 1 followed by 9 zeros, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 zeros. So this is the size of one particle of the solution, the particle that are dissolved in the solution. So the particles of solution are so small and they cannot be seen by naked eyes. The third property is particles of a solution do not scatter light. What do we mean by that? Suppose we have a solution, a container having a solution that is a homogeneous mixture of two or more particles like this, and we have a flashlight, torch, which we are going to use to put some light on this container. And suppose this container here, it is made up of glass, so it is transparent. That means light can enter the container, and it enters the container, passes through the solution and comes out on the other side. Okay, and if we have a screen over here, suppose this is a screen, some kind of cloth or a paper which acts as a screen. So this is a screen. Then we will see this light over here. Okay, the light will be seen over here. What does this show? This shows that the light passes through the container and passes through the solution and comes out from the other side, and it is seen on the screen. However, you will not be able to see the path of light through this solution. Why? Because the particles dissolved in this solution are so small that they do not scatter light. So that is what we mean by it. The fourth property is particles dissolved in a solution do not settle down when left undisturbed for some time. So suppose this is a solution, and the particles in the solution, say suppose we have sugar dissolved in this thing, in this water, and this is a solution of sugar and water, and if we leave it for some time, we will not see any particles of sugar settling down at the bottom. This we will not see. So this is not there. Okay, why it doesn't happen? Because this solution is a stable mixture, and so particles do not settle down when left in undisturbed. So a solution is a stable mixture. And the last property is that the particles dissolved in the solution, they cannot be separated by ordinary process of filtration. So particles dissolved in the solution cannot be separated by ordinary process of filtration. Why? Because the pores of the filter, say if we are using cloth as a filter, or we are using paper as a filter, the pores in that particular filter cloth or filter paper are much bigger than the particles dissolved in the solution. Say sugar is dissolved in water, the particles of sugar dissolved in water are much smaller than the pores of the filter paper or the filter cloth. So these are the properties of this kind of mixture, which is called solution. So we'll take a short break and we'll come back in our next video to see some other types of mixtures. Thank you.